To set a custom photo as a watch face on a Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Pro, first you need to open MyFitness app, navigate to Device, then select Manage Band Displays, and we want to go for All. Now select Custom. Here you will find the different photo displays that you can choose between, and I selected this one. Now when we pick the one that we've downloaded, as you can see this one is applied, we can select Edit and then add our custom photos. Click on this plus button and select the gallery. Now you can choose a photo as your watch face. Click on OK and then add. Now you will see this photo right here, and we need to save it. Go back and make sure to apply. After it's finished, we can check our watch display, and it's changed to custom watch face.